Hello, friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. All things must come to an end. Good, bad, bull, bear. And I believe, well, we had a great run. We longed from 8,700, got out at 9,800. Great money we just made. And I believe now, I think we're hitting an iceberg. In fact, I think we actually already hit the iceberg. We just haven't sank yet. It is just the low deck men that are dealing with the problems, and the rest of the folks on the upper decks aren't even aware. In fact, they're sipping their golden goblets, having their creme brulees and cake, and before they know it, out of nowhere, it's gonna get ugly. Taking a look at the 6 hour. Iceberg. Nice rounded iceberg. Pinching off on our momentum. Not only that, we are seeing doji candles on the Heikin. We all know what those mean. Now, yes, we are in this uptrend. I would like it just as much as anybody to break to the upside, and maybe it still will. You know, maybe it still will. I could be wrong. I know there's people calling for other stuff going on, and right now I think we're seeing a split. We're seeing a split of some people saying that's going to go up, and others saying that we're going to go down a little bit. So let's kind of dive in here. We gotta organize here. Let's organize. That's right, puppy, huh? A few days ago, this appeared. This was a beautiful bullish signal. We were so very excited about the momentum coming to the upside here, right? Bam! We longed the son of a gun 8,700, and we nailed it. It played out. We took what the market gave us, and it gave us a lot. But the market giveth, the market taketh away if you're asleep. But it's going to giveth in a different way for us that are prepared. We see our momentum wave is potentially coming to pinch off. Let's enhance and see if it's getting closer. Getting closer on the 10 hour, touching on the 10 hour. We see a clear doji candle enhance going to the 8 hour. Pretty much the same thing, nothing different there, but the 6 hours where we start to see a little more clearly that must go up, must come down, and that is just the way it is. Taking a look at the 4 hour, we see a nice curvature here. Our RSIs have turned from oversold to overbought. Hell yeah, pumping this. Oh, back to overbought again. Taking a look at the 2 hour. Not much. This is kind of neutral. It came up. This is neutral. Momentum going one way. VWAP. The others on. We're seeing clear. Not every time frame is going to give you an exact answer. The 30-minute. You hear this dog howling? I always try to film him howling, and I can never get it. But he's howling at the birdies outside. This was the 30-minute wave that we played that turned into a 3 or 4 day trade, right? We entered, just in case you missed it, right here. Came all the way up, and now we see momentum is coming down here. Green wave coming down. Little blood diamond right here. Not really seeing any yellow X's. Oh, here we go. You know, on the lower time, on the 1 minute, they're going to be there looking for clusters. I'm looking for these yellow X clusters just like this one. Check this out. 1, 2. What happened from here? Bang! Dumped right down. By the way, if you were in the whale crew, now listen, here on YouTube, you're not going to get all my moves. But here in the whale crew, we shorted 9,739 moments before this dump to 9,250. She bangs. Iceberg. Dead ahead. But lucky for us, we're cold as ice, baby. Cold as ice when we need to be. Because at the end of the day, all this is about is getting the money. So we can protect ourselves and our loved ones and lift up others. That's what we do with our money, is help support and lift up others. Of course, enjoy ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, it's and you know, I tell you what, if for the Moon Boys, there is a little bit of hope for you, because this zero line can be support. We can come down here and wave back up again. We've done it before. We've done it before, just like back here, right? During the pump to this pump was the one to 14K. Right, Iceberg, I mean, we chopped down. There's still big moves down if you zoom in. Needless to say, 6 hour, I think, is a strong time frame. So is the 4. And check this out. We have time. Look at this last one. Look at the last dump. Look. This was the captain. Iceberg. Dead ahead. Bang. Red dot. And we had time before this big dump. Iceberg. Dead ahead. Red dot. Hasn't happened yet. We're eating peaches and cream and drinking out of our goblets. So, me, I am low leverage short. I have taken my profits. And for right or for wrong, that is where I am putting my money. That's where my money is on right now. Is it going down again? And you know, I feel like I've seen this mini pattern. You know, maybe it doesn't come down as far, maybe to 8,800 and that's it. Or maybe shit's gonna hit the fan real good for us, since we're at very strong resistance. Or we're just taking a breather. Maybe we come down, hell, to 8,200. Folks, it looks really small. A move in the grander scheme of things isn't much, but to those of you watching this and trading and leveraging, a move to 8,200 is the end of the world in your eyes that day. So I'm letting you know now that there's an iceberg for those of you where 8,200 is going to freak you out or wreck you, sink you. Iceberg, dead ahead. You better get your life vest on. If you're not, I'm not saying you have to make a play, but you at least have to have your life vest on. You at least have to have your life vest on. If you ain't going to make a play. See ya. CryptoFace out. Let's see what happens next. Now remember, people, this is the 6 hour and 4 hour time frame. In our 30-minute time frame trade, it took 3 days. for it to play out where we sliced all that fat off the beef. How long will it take for a Sig Sauer? Let's measure it, just like we said we would. Oh, okay, what's today's date? The 24th? Damn! You know what I mean? It might be a while, but you know what? When we go down, it happens much faster. So I don't think it's going to take that long. Iceberg dead ahead. We'll see. Maybe today, maybe in a couple days, shit's going to hit the fan, but I think it's going to come soon. How much? I don't know. What I do know is that we buy in the red, sell in the green, short in the green, cover in the red. Let me repeat that. Buy in the red, sell in the green, short in the green, cover in the red. And folks, this is your friend CryptoFace saying, Iceberg, dead ahead.